Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, thank you so much for stopping by. And for those of you who are back, thank you for coming back. Today I am doing a project share. I created a tag flip. I'm doing a swap with Crystal. Her channel is CruzzinwithCrystal. You guys probably know her. It will be linked down below. But before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So guys, Crystal and I decided to make this tag flip using tags that were 4.5 inches this way and 3 inches that way. And we agreed on 4 tags. So let me show you guys what I did for Crystal. So to start guys, this is the little tassel I decided to create for Crystal, and I attached just a whole bunch of different yarns and ribbons. From the Dollar Tree I used this, and the one with the pumpkins. I think this one was from Michael's. So yeah, I thought that was a cute little addition on my little tag flip here. And this is the first tag I created. And I made these all backed on 110-pound cardstock so that they're very sturdy. And then I covered the front with the pattern paper. So this is just a little turkey fall. I put a little ribbon, these little acorns that are made of felt, and I added a little glitter on there just to bling it up. My second tag here, this is just some tulle, and I put this little sticker on top, the little blings. This is a little, like a pumpkin spiced latte. That was what I wanted here, and I did that off my Cricut. And then I used the pattern paper that was on the opposite ones to create a little butterfly. This tag here, I made a little rosette, and then I put the little sticker in the middle, the leaf, the blessed ephemera, and then I put a little ribbon behind it. And this here were the acorns that were from the bling from the Dollar Tree, and I just cut it on out, and that's how I did that, and added just another little leaf. This is my third tag, and it was meant to be a shaker, but it doesn't shake too much, but I still think it looks really cute here. And it's a leaf, and I used my perfect pearls to jazz it up a little bit. This is washi actually, with some leaves. And I still think it looks cute. It's just like clear, and you can see the little sequins inside of it. Behind here I have a little turkey, and then it says give thanks, and I put a little scrap fabric behind there that I had, and then just some other bling. One just fell off here, and that's that tag. And those were my 4 decorated tags, so that's what we decided. Those were them. And then I gave her 4 extra undecorated tags, and she could create whatever she wants for these on her own. So I thought that would be nice. So that is what I created for Crystal for our tag flip swap. Alright guys, that's it for today. That was my tag flip I created for Crystal. Let me know what you guys think down below. I always love your feedback. I love communicating with you guys. As always, I hope you like this video, and if you haven't, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!